I think the market needs to innovate and change because actually there hasn't been much innovation or change for years and years. And that's both in terms of product as well as the customer experience. And at Perenna, what we decided to do was innovate with product, long-term fixed rate mortgages with flexible short-term ERCs. But also we see ESG as a big market as well in retrofitting. We want to fund change, not just reward people for having a good EPC rating on their property. We want people to actually retrofit, and we want to fund that kind of initiative. And we believe doing that with long-term fixed rate mortgages is a great way to do it because the payments are flat. The UK market is funded with deposits, and the problem with that is that all of the products are therefore short-term fixed rate mortgages. They're 2 years, they're 5 years typically. There isn't much in the longer space. We fund our mortgages differently. We use covered bonds, and because we do that, we can actually issue very long-term fixed rate mortgages up to 40 years. But we can also have short-term ERCs, and you can use that to buy a home, get increased affordability because we have no SVR stress rate, borrow to retrofit, and your payment will never change. It will only change if you want to change your mortgage. Now that's unique and new to the UK, and that's where our innovation comes in. As an advisor, if you have an option, you don't present it, it could be a problem in the future. A good example would be long-term fixed rate mortgages. If you don't present it and you do a 2 or a 5 year fixed rate mortgage, and in 5 years' time the market is not in favour of the customer and you didn't talk about a long-term option, that could be a problem. Present all the options, let the customer make an informed choice. Same with retrofit discounts. If the retrofit discount is on the product, you don't talk about it, and they find out and they want to use that and they didn't have it in their mortgage, then you need to cover all the angles, and that's the role of an advisor, to advise on everything, present all the options. It is great. It's an amazing product. And you just need to look into places like Europe and America where long-term fixed rate mortgages, for example, funded with bonds, are the product of choice. It gives stability for the customer, it gives affordability, it gives security. And people are now seeing that rates can go up and they can go up very quickly. And if you don't protect yourself, that could be the challenge.